Hello everyone, welcome back to Command Wolf Gaming. I'm CWG and welcome to Seagulls Crappy Situation, the alpha. Now I did find this game and I was like, this looks funny. Now this will be going on CWG's first looks, just because it's an alpha and also it's the demo of the game. And well, that's where it goes. Anyway, I was looking at this game and I find it incredibly funny because it's basically like a raft style game, except you got to deal with a whole bunch of seagulls that are taking a poop onto your raft. I'm sure there's more to it than that, but I feel like that is kind of like a funny situation of like fighting off seagulls a lot of time. If you guys don't know the story about me and seagulls, I don't get along with birds at all, and seagulls are one of the main culprits that I hate the most. And I'll tell you guys. Oh, okay. So, if nobody actually followed me, I actually told this during a live stream on Monday. I do Monday night live streams on my Rumble and Rumble and Odyssey channel, as well as Twitch. So if you want to see that, you can make sure to follow me on there. Hey you, yes you, finally someone with hands, pick me up! Don't make me flow after you! Pick me up! Alright, cool. Phew. I was starting to get seasick. Okay, cool. Great! Alright, cool. Use items. And place the scrap in the rack. Okay, cool. So, what I was saying. Oh. Okay. What is... And of course it's broken. Alright, cool. Need a wrench to repair. You need a wrench. Okay, cool. Hey, watch it. Get your own shitty grabber. Or your own shiny grabber. Oh my god, I got crap on the brains. Why are you eyeballing my bolt biter? You think you can outsmart me? Squawk! You doubt me? This tool is for repairing, you know. See all these planks? I'm building my nest. Back off 2 legs. Fearless thief. I licked it, so it's mine. Featherless thief. Featherless thief. I licked it, so it's mine. Touch it and I'll poop on you. Okay. Ha! What do you think you're doing? What do you think? Okay, he dropped it into the drink. Wow. Oh no! Okay. Human, you will live to regret this! Okay, cool. So, let me tell you the story real quick. Again, I did tell this story originally on, was it CWG's for, not CWG's first, on my live stream for Monday night live streams. I've been doing that a lot. So which is only exclusive on my Rumble, Odyssey, and also Twitch channels. Actually, even on Twitter, technically. But so if you do want to see that footage, make sure you got tune into those channels every Monday night for the live stream. Okay, so I gotta dive down. Okay, this is really like Ark. Okay, pick that up. I'm gonna grab these 2 while I'm down here. The only thing that can make this worse is if I get attacked by things. Okay, cool. Oh, whoops. Hello. Hey, 2-legged worm. Told you. This is what you get for stealing my wrench. Take this. Ah. Okay, now I gotta pump to clean off my poo stain. I hate birds. Okay, I gotta pump. Yeah. Okay, cool. Is this still dirty or am I just stupid? I might be stupid. Okay. All right. So let's how about get rid of this R. Okay. Then I'm assuming I gotta go over here, pick up some more. All right, cool. Excellent. So what do I have to do here? Oh, I got all right, cool. At least this is funnier than whatchamacallit? Not Ark. Raft. Hey there, stranger. You have some trouble? You're having some trouble? Take this next shot. You can expect me at the end of each wave. Okay, cool. Next wave in 88 seconds. Okay, so Oh, am I? I'm defending my raft. Okay, so Q. Next wave. Where do you come from? Where you come from, you bastards? Is there anything else I can grab? Is there a way? Okay, I can skip counter with you. Where's that V? That's a V. Hold V. Hold U. Okay. Okay, well, that is not what a new wave. Okay, cool. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? There we go. Ah! Fell in the water. There you go. All right, that's not too bad. Talking about first-person shooter here. There you go. Ah, no! I got you, bird. You win this time, human! Alright, so I guess that's the end of the wave where I have to face off against him before, you know. Okay, good job. Let's see. E... Ooh, select the path. What? We have paths? Aggressive combat focus ability, enhanced damage, attack speed, and or special attacks. Upgrade to weaponry, new projectiles, or enhance to ranged attacks. Focus on raft defenses, clean entire repair with boosted abilities to the enhanced exploration joker, a chaotic mix of abilities from all other paths, offering unprotected and ooh, that sounds fun. But I do want to take the shooter path right now. Okay, to use in the shop, charge potions, piercing projectiles, get 12 times piercing projectile go through the enemies. See, I don't think I need that yet. I'll do the feathers. I don't know how this game is spaced out. Okay, let's fix that. Let's fix that. And I'm assuming that we gotta go up and we gotta, okay. All right. Well, I got a couple pieces here. Oh, God. So let's go. Wow. Okay, cool. Okay, we got a new wave in a second here, so... let's see. Raft tile upgrades. Okay, let's do upgrades. Let's do some multi-shot. Oh god, they're here already. Q. Damn bird. Okay, okay, cool, cool. Why do I feel like I'm playing a first-person shooter and I'm terrible at this game? The mouse sensitivity on this game is like through the roof, too. Okay. Think that's... Okay, wave 2 clear. Ooh, there's stuff down there. Piercing amount, get 2 times the increase the amount of enemies your pierce goes through. Okay. Let's do... I need to build up the raft a little bit more. Then we gotta go... Let's go down here. Looks like there is materials down here. Oh, these are tiles? Okay, I thought that was something else. Please tell me there's no sharks down here or something. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's do here, here, here. And this guy's... No! Okay, cool. Let's do... Oh, I could do... Okay, we got one of those. You can tell I don't know what I'm doing, and at the same time, I know what I'm doing. Oh, wait, no. Okay. But that's fantastic. Go like that. This one. Okay. Alright, cool. What do we have to do? E. Does that do anything? No? Okay. I only have 2 feathers. It's fine. It's fine. Get the next wave incoming. Q! Oh. What the? Okay, okay. Where are you? What the frick? Okay, this feels a little cheaty, using the multi-shot. There we go. Okay, cleared. More rocks! Okay, let's go down. Okay, we got some resources down here. Grab those. Anything. Random feather. Okay. I don't know if there's anything down here to, like, find. Oh, wait. There's something right there. Okay, that's wood upgrade. Oh my god. This is actually... I'm... Okay, no matter what I say, this game is actually kind of, you know, funny. Oh, why did that break? 3, 4. Then we can go... You. Go back to you. Okay, we got more of these, so let's... 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's... I don't know what's down here, but I want to explore. I saw this before. I really can't see. This is horrible lighting. What is this? I got a throwing star? Oh, okay, cool. Oh, no, no, no. I gotta get back. I gotta get back. Okay, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I don't know if it's fine. I'm saying it's fine. Okay, where are you, birds? Hard to tell where they are. They're obviously in the water, right? You bastard. Oh god, I'm in the water. No, I gotta get out of the water. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, another wave cleared. All right, cool, cool, cool. Okay, throwing starts, but explosive. Let's get some more feathers. E. Oh, I'm supposed to be repairing these. Okay. Clean off the poop. Go over here. Let's do our first upgrade to stone. Then... I'm gonna leave that for now. Okay, so upgrade. We're gonna upgrade you to stone. Alright, cool. So let's... There's gotta be other stuff down here, right? I'm sure there will be stuff down here. Let's see. I just feel like there's there's a lot around here and nothing at all at the same time. Right? Again, this is also a demo. Oh, whoa, hello. This is a demo as well. So it's, yeah. Wait, there is something. Okay, yeah. Tiles. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm here. All right, you again. 3, 2, 1. Go. Wave 5. There we go. How'd you miss? Oh, interesting. I think we can catch the feathers as they fall. They have to be like really close though. Okay. Damn birds! Okay. Dang birds! Okay, this obviously this is a wave type combat deal. Charge potion, get 3 charge potions for fast reload, multi shots, feathers. I would rather do feathers. Let's see what we got here. I can't do that yet. I do want to do that. We have to kind of start upgrading this a bit. Where is it? R. Very good. 3, not 3. Okay, I don't have that. Okay, fine. And now, I don't know. My curiosity is getting to me. I kind of want to run all the way out there. Just for the simple fact, I do want to explore this game a bit more. I just don't know if we have an actual, like, end game other than... It's probably just a survival, you know, survive for extended amount of times. Oh, okay. So that's probably the end point. How are you damaged? Stop being damaged. You too. Okay, very good. All right. Okay, here we go. Another one coming up. Wait. Ooh. Oh my god, this guy's just dropping a bomb. Where are you? Okay, very good. There you are. No more for you. Okay. Nope. There we go. Why do you keep getting damaged? Perfect. Sniping these. I am sniping these guys out of the, like, out of the sky. Just boom, gone. I don't know why that keeps getting damaged, and I'm very worried about that. Okay. Wait, where's my... Okay, I was gonna say, where is my... There we go. Okay. Oh, God. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, cool. Fix. 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 I gotta fix. I gotta fix. I want to know how these things are getting damaged. Okay, cool. Increase, yeah, we'll do that. Oh my god, they're getting damaged because of the poop. Okay, okay, cool. Not cool, but it's, you know, now that I know that. Ooh, okay, okay. Okay, wrench. Why are these getting damaged? Stop being damaged! Oh my god. Okay, get another piece of armor. 2. Right, you on there. Probably because they're on the outside, right? They're getting the most damage if they're on the outside. Is there anything else down below here? No, well, there's more resistor over here. Okay, cool. I should have gone with the exploration out. Okay. Should have gone with the exploration. Really should have gotten that. Okay, 6, 5, 4. Okay, cool. Where are you? You're in the water. Oh. Very good. There we go. Okay. Oh, god dang. Stupid birds! Okay, good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just stop. Oh no, no. Ah! You bastards! Freaking birds! Okay. Whew, okay. Where are you? Okay. Okay. I need increasing amount of rocks for the shotgun. Nope. We just want the feathers for now. Can we buy a shotgun? Out of stock. Throwing stars, multi-stones. I'll get that. Get those. Oh, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just trying to survive. Okay, very good. Keep that in inventory. Pump this up. Okay, cool. All right, let's jump into the water. Want to see if there's anything else over here, this section. This is... Okay, this is pretty barren, I gotta say. I get close to that, then it... I don't know if that means anything or not, honestly. That might be just the barrier. We're probably just stuck in this small area here. Okay. Is there gotta be anything else here? Come on. I don't think there is. Huh. Go figure. All right. Whoa. Hello. What was that? Ah, come on. There we go. Okay, cool. Oh, come on. Ah! Oh my god. So many birds. So many birds. Screw you all. Okay. Oh. Okay, clean off the poop, clean off the poop, clean off the poop, clean off the poop, clean off the poop. All the poop. Just clean it all off. Ah! Just stop falling apart. Ah! Okay. Okay. Start repairing. Oh, my dear Lord. Stop falling apart, please. Oh, I got one still flying overhead. Oh, God. Two. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay, we gotta fix. I can slowly upgrade to the rock. These simple ones are not doing any good. I don't know why. Okay. That one's clear. There's a little bit of poo there. Let's do another stone. I really do kind of want some new projectiles, but I'm out of projectiles. I'll keep that. Okay, very good. Let's do... You know what? You don't have any armor yet, so I'm going to hit you. Okay. Okay, this is... Oh, okay. You know what? At the amount of time I do want to play this, it is getting a bit more difficult as obviously as time goes on, right? And it is fun. It is fun. I feel like there is... Oh. What is it? Oh! A shield! Interesting. I want to know why this stuff keeps breaking, but I think the reason why it still keeps breaking is because simple fact that... obviously, yeah, I think it's just because of the demo. It's made for us to fail. Honestly, this game is kind of fun. I am really enjoying it. It's very big in, you know, a basic mechanism. And not saying it's like super like, oh, like you got to play this game. But at the same time, it's actually kind of like chill. If you just want to do something just to do something, right? This kind of gives you like a multitasking, ordeal to take care of, you know. It does leave obviously this is a demo, so there is a lot of improvement for the game. I'm hoping that there is you know, they're going to be improving it, unless I picked up the demo and the game's already out. I'm not too sure, honestly. In fact, we can check here in a second. Oh, we got two of these guys. Oh my god, these guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just stop. Okay. I fell. I fell. Okay. Okay, gotta fix this. Clean off the poop. Okay, okay. Fix, 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 fix. Poop. Poop clean, poop clean, poop clean. Come on! Why? Why is there so many of you? Just piss off! Well, that's good to know that I can certainly take them out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, very good. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Everything is fine. Oh my god. Where are you? Okay. 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 Oh. Range and speed for piercing. Okay, cool. Boop. Okay, cool. Get that. I'm gonna save money. Honestly, it's okay. You know, I'm sure we can kind of keep recording this for a bit of time, but I'm actually going to stop right here because I do want to check some things out. I am going to fully admit I don't know if this game is fully out yet. So let's actually take a look real quick at the Steam store here. So let's go here, go to store page. Okay, so the game is available soon. Okay, cool. And it is a controller support. Nice. All right, cool. Shared oh, we can do split screen. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. All right. So this is actually really kind of fun. It says roguelite. Okay, cool. So there is much more to it than other than just, you know, doing what we were doing. Obviously, there's probably still a lot more we can do on here. Okay, yeah, there is yeah, online. Okay, cool. So, well, we saw that before. Oh wait, I didn't mean I had to I thought it's oh my god, I am an idiot. Okay, never mind. Yeah. Let's get out of there. All right, cool. So this game is actually I find this game pretty fun. Obviously, this is just a very basic, you know, game. It's a wave like a game. There's not much exploration or adventure to it, which it did show up on the Steam tags as adventure / exploration, but I could see like the replayability in this, obviously, because we get different abilities, different items as we play along. I do feel like there is a little bit like I don't know what it is exactly. There is something that there's a lot of things that I love about the game. Oh, there's not so yeah. But there's other things that I really don't like about the game. So let's just kind of go over it real quick. So first things I do like about the game is that it's simple, right? In order for somebody to have a game, right, it doesn't have to be overly complicated with overarching like storyline or engineering or like you know, inventory stuff and stuff like that, which is a lot of games that I do play, like Sandistry or Satisfactory or you know, other those style games. But so this is a very simple game. Now, would I replay this? Yes. In my downtime, if I wanted to just play something simple, I would certainly pick this up. And it seems fun. It really does seem fun. Now, the things that I don't like about it, it seems like there is kind of still like a lag issue, or there is a lag issue with the game where it kind of stutters every once in a while. And also, I feel like there's not much to explore. Obviously, you only have like that area around you, and that's it. There is no real incentive for you to grow your raft other than just to have a bigger spot to shoot at enemies, right? Obviously, the more raft pieces that you have, the longer the more health you have. That's what it really is. More raft pieces, more health. Now, the one thing I would say about that is it's fine, but I feel like once you start getting your armor or like really jacked up, I feel like it's harder for your raft to get damaged. And I did see, and I was very confused on why my raft was actually gaining damage, even though the birds weren't hitting it. I'm not sure if that's just because it's damage over time or what, but it is very interesting. And if the developers you know are listening out there, Nine Live Games, you know, I'm hoping that you guys do kind of make one or two improvements there. I do feel like the slingshot is like a nice little touch, but I feel like you should be able to get something else, like an upgraded weapon. And yes, I know this is supposed to be a simple game. It is, and you can still keep it like a simple game. You know, have a little bit more fun with it, make it a little bit easier for the player, especially if you're playing it as a single player. I do kind of feel like I do want to try some other of the classes or class like systems that they have. The Joker feels like it's like a would probably be a fun way to kind of like really randomize things, because then you kind of get like pretty much everything. You got to do everything there. So, but yeah, I can see that. I can see. I can't. I don't think I would be able to make a series out of this, but like for my personal time, I would probably sit down and kind of like play and chew this out for a bit. Okay, so I do actually got to mention something for you guys right now. I might be taking a little bit. Whoa, hello. Sorry about that. Um, I am probably going to be taking a little bit of a break, and there's a reason behind that. The reason behind the break is because I am currently recording and editing an audiobook, so I'm probably going to be dedicating a lot more time to that. I am gonna try to keep doing the Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday night live streams. So that would be Monday night on Rumble, Odyssey, and Twitch, as well as Twitter. Um, well, more like Rumble, Odyssey, and Twitch. Then Tuesday night it would be the boys' night of me playing with the boys, and then Wednesday night would be the typical live stream night. So I'm probably gonna take a little bit of a hiatus, a little short hiatus, so I can record the book and get that edit and put up. Yes, I am recording a book for actually Audible. If you guys don't know, I've been actually working on my voice acting career, and this is my first job, so I really am putting like as much energy and power into it. The name of the book is called Dwarven Berserker, and I'm currently up to like, as of this recording, which was May, March 2nd, I am currently up to like chapter 12, 13. So I am going to be doing that. I'm probably going to be dedicating a lot more time to that. So this is probably going to be the last episode for the next like couple weeks. Depending on how it works out, maybe I can get it done sooner. So if I don't see you guys next week, that's where I'm going to be at. I'm probably going to be sitting down. I'm going to be doing my recording for this book. So again, it's called Dwarven Berserker. I think it's out on Kindle right now, and it will be out on Audible when I know. So anyway, guys, if you do want to help support the channel, I am going to kind of leave this little note here. I actually do have an Etsy store. I do mention this during all my live streams. On my Etsy stores, I got long sleeve shorts, long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, baseball caps, and beanies. And I'm sorry, wrong ending. That ending will be on my Etsy store. It's wolfwoodandlaser.etsy.com. I'm actually uploading some more stuff to that store, stuff with anime and manga characters, as well as some video game stuff. So if you guys want to help out my store, or you want to get something personalized, make sure to check out my store, because obviously we not only have some stuff like that, we also have a lot of items that you can get personalized to whatever you need them to. Anyway, so let's get to the actual ending now. Anyway, guys, I want to thank everyone for tuning in today here on Command Wolf Gaming. Hope they enjoyed the village. Did you guys know about 10% of you, that is right, about 10% of you are actually subscribed to the channel. So make sure to hit that big red subscribe button down below and hit that bell notification button to be notified on when I'm updating the channel, because I'll be trying to update the channel as often as possible. Now, if you do want some more exclusive content that you're not going to find here on YouTube, make sure to follow me on Rumble, Odyssey, and or Kick. That is right, Rumble, Odyssey, and or Kick, where we would be doing currently. We are doing exclusive live streams every single Wednesday night at 6:30 p.m., 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 6:30 p.m., 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is every single week, and it's only going to be on Rumble, Odyssey, and or Kick. Now, last thing here, if you do want to help support the channel, make sure to take a look at our merchandise link. That's right, we do have a merchandise, and in that merchandise link, you're going to find long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, baseball caps, and beanies. They all come in a variety of colors as well as sizes. I do purchase everything out of this store before I put it up in the store as a permanent fixture to make sure that it is very comfortable for those who are purchasing it. In fact, I'm wearing one of the t-shirts right now. If you don't, if merchandise is not to your appeal, you can also leave a tip in the tip link down below. Now, I know on Rumble and Odyssey, they do have their own tipping system, so if you want to do it on there, that is fine as well. So, anywho, I want to thank everyone for tuning in today here on Command Wolf Gaming. As always, like, subscribe, and share. Spread the love. And I hope to see you next time here on Command Wolf Gaming. Bye-bye now!